In this video, I will show you how to check and increase your Kraken limits. To do this, first just open up Kraken and then go to your profile in the bottom left and go to account right here. Now from within account, go to limits at the top, and here you will see all of your limits. So you have your cash and your crypto limits. So for example, for me, this is more than enough, but if you have lower limits or you just want to increase them even more, go to learn more about limits, and it will take you to a support page. So here, deposit and withdrawal limits work by verification level. So if you haven't yet done this, you will need to verify your Kraken account. Now from there, you can just read how limits work, how you can increase your limits. So if you have an account which is verified to intermediate, you can increase your limits by verifying to a higher level. There is no way to increase the limits of these verification levels beyond the set values. However, if you have a personal account with pro limits or a business account, you can contact support to get your limits increased beyond the default amount. So if that's you, you can just go and contact support, so click contact us. But what you can also do is upgrade. So a personal account with pro limits is the highest verification level available. So to open a personal account with pro limits or upgrade your existing intermediate account, create a personal account, ensure your account by adding sign in two-factor authentication, then on kraken.com navigate to your profile icon in the upper right corner, right now it's in the bottom left, and then select settings, and then click the verification tab and then get verified. So just going to verify your identity and then navigate to your profile icon in the upper right corner of the page and select settings, and this is for Kraken Pro. Then under the account details section, click get higher limits. So that's how to increase your limits on Kraken. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.